So I wanted to quickly go over something related to resources on the map. Most people know, but many new players may not know, it's really important for us to build up alliance resources. So you can see what kind of alliance resources we have here, and you can see what it costs in order for us to get, say, an alliance flag build. We need the 99,000 alliance credits, which comes from us donating to Alliance. And then we need, of course, at the moment, we need mostly food and wood. Later, we'll also need stone, and then in the future, we'll also need gold. So, as we build these up, we need to make sure we're trying to gather the resources we need. And as you can see, we're kind of low right now in wood. So it's really important for us to build up the wood. Now, how do we do that? If you'll notice here, 8,000 per hour is being added by an alliance resource related to food, and 4,000 per hour related to wood. Those are on the map, and they're basically something that people tried, or alliance leaders tried to build towards. Here is one for food. It's within our territory, so it is helping crank out towards that 8,000 per hour that we're getting for credit. Here's for gold. We've got 2 for gold. That's also cranking out for our credit, and it's getting stored in our alliance storehouse. But what's lacking, of course, is food or wood. So it's really important that here's one for stone. It's really important that we gather wood wherever we can inside alliance territory. In addition to that, when you gather within your own alliance territory, your speed is ramped up by 25%. So you want to gather there also in order to gather your resources that much more quickly. So definitely go for it. Now, what they did is they also put together, and if we look in our territory, they put together an alliance resource for wood where we can gather. And it's been marked so that we can go there. And if you send your gatherers there, just click in there, tap to join, and send troops. The gatherers that you go in there, as they're gathering, 1% of everything that you gather within Alliance territory is also going towards the Alliance storehouse. So if I gather the 386,000 towards wood, then 3.86 thousand will go towards the Alliance storehouse and can be used for building Alliance food or Alliance flags or other structures. So it's really, really important we do as much as we can in order to build up the storehouse. And of course, as I mentioned before, when we donate to the technology, we are ending up donating towards the storehouse as well. And that's important too. So I tend to let it build up for a bit so that I can go real fast, because then it goes towards multiples, and you'll notice it raises the bar by this 100 per each. And then I will also receive 100 alliance credit for each donation that I make. So that helps as well. So we need to do our part in order to build up this alliance storehouse as much as possible and try to max it out as soon as we can too, because maxing out really is pretty cool to know that you're at your maximum amount. Okay, so everybody should be doing as much as they can to gather within Alliance territory as quickly as they are able. For now, wishing you Godspeed and signing out.